Welcome guys to another video. I'm Night Air and I'm trying to get you guys a good angle. Maybe I should do it over here. Hopefully that's good. This video, I'm going to be doing a chug that was supposed to come out last year, but then my editor slash friend Crits or Braden never edited it and forgot about it. So I'm redoing the chug today. I think I was actually even wearing this shirt, weirdly enough. I just got a shower, that's why my hair's wet. I'm not wearing my glasses. You don't really care, but just saying. So I'm redoing this chug, Sunkist or Strawberry Sunkist. This was supposed to come out like I think like maybe maybe it wasn't. It was the beginning of this year. It's supposed to come out in January. Sent him. Well, it was the end of January, February. He was supposed to get it done, edited, and I was gonna post it sometime in February. And he gave it back to me, but he never did. So I deleted the footage because I thought he was gonna do it, and he never did. So we're gonna do it today. We're gonna be chugging a Strawberry Sunkist without burping, or trying to chug it without burping. You know the series by now. Yeah. Let's get into it. It's sweating though. It's not even hot in my room, bro. It's not. I literally got an air conditioner in, bro. It's not even. There was a bubble in that, bruh. There's a little tiny red bubble. God dang, that feels like it's been in the freezer, bro. Whoo! Got something in my eye. It's like making my eye itch. This chug, I'm recording it on a Sunday, May 29th. This is probably going to be coming out June 3rd. Wait. January, February, March, April, May, June. Yeah, June. I thought I was wrong for a second. June 3rd. I will be uploading on the 1st of June. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but you'll see when June 1st hits. Anyway. God, I'm turning into the Hulk, bruh. Oh, God, though. It's so cold, man. I can get through this. I can do this. Oh my gosh, bruh. I tried to do a Badlands Chugs technique. It didn't work. Oh, my stomach's starting to hurt. Oh. I promise you guys, if you believe these chugs are easy, okay? You can chug it, like, if you're, like, chugging it and you can burp, it's easy. But if you're not, if you're chugging it and trying not to burp, your stomach hurts, it's not easy, because you're trying not to. and a burp almost came out. You're trying not to burp. That's the challenge. I don't know why I'm holding the cap. Oh, okay, come on. I need to get this done. I need to get this done. I need to get this done. I just need to get it done. Oh, come on. Oh, I just like had goosebumps, but I'm not even. Oh, I'm about to burp. I don't know if I thought I'm gonna get sick if I don't burp. Come on. Oh. I'm stalling. Get out of this video done if I just push through it. It's done. I feel like I'm gonna throw up. I'm trying to chill. My stomach is like in a roar. This is like caffeine free, bro. I think. Yeah. It still hurts though, cause you're. Anyway, like, subscribe. Oh, I'll see you guys in the next video. And I just burp. Ah, dang. I failed. I almost got through it. Oh. Like, subscribe, turn notifications on, share to at least one friend. Comment down below. Whatever. Oh. I might as well just burp because I already lost. I needed all that. Anyway, comment down below. Oh, you failed. Nah, I'm kidding, but comment whatever you want. I'll see you guys in the next video. Yeah. Comment down below what else you want me to chug. See you guys in the next video. Peace.